Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying system compatibility and choosing a purchase path. Open Settings to confirm Windows version and available disk space. This prevents install failures. Next, decide whether Microsoft 365 subscription suits you for ongoing updates or buy Office 2021 once. Once decided, sign in to or create a Microsoft account. This links licensing. Now navigate to Account, Microsoft.com or the Microsoft Store and initiate the buy or free install trial. This launches the download process. Once the download begins, you'll run the installer file and grant any admin permissions. This allows changes to program files. Choose 64-bit unless a specific 32-bit need exists for add-ins. Follow on-screen prompts, select language, and accept the license agreement because correct options avoid future conflicts. Make sure to close other heavy apps to free memory. That helps the installer finish smoothly. When installation completes, you'll see a confirmation and shortcut. Then launch PowerPoint to validate activation under your Microsoft account. Finally, open PowerPoint and sign in to activate the license. Activation links the product to your account and enables updates. If activation fails, first confirm you're online and signed into the correct Microsoft account, then run Windows Update and retry because missing OS updates often block activation. If features are missing or errors persist, go to Settings Apps, select the Office app, and run Repair. This rebuilds core files. If you still have trouble, contact Microsoft support with your account and error code handy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.